Hey, my name's Justin, and this is The Art of Repair. I'm not wearing this shirt today, but there's a super good reason. We got some ultra breaking news right now. It looks like Apple has actually released an independent repair program that you, as a regular repair shop, can check out and get signed up for right this instant. So let's go ahead and check it out, see what the deal is. I'm super excited, if you can't tell. Let's see what the requirements are. Let's see what it's all about. Okay, the Independent Repair Provider Program by Apple. The Independent Repair Provider Program is designed for companies interested in offering out-of-warranty repair services for iPhones. Qualifying companies can gain access to Apple genuine parts, tools, training, service guides, diagnostics, and resources to perform a variety of out-of-warranty iPhone repairs, such as iPhone display and battery replacements. I'm not sure if this means level 3 repair. I don't know if we're getting schematics or not, but it does look like screens and batteries are right there in the top. That's important. I'm not sure if that means charging ports or any of the other fun stuff or anything. I don't know if this means we're going to get to do Touch ID or Face ID or anything, but at very least, screens and batteries are in the mix, at least right now. Let's see, who can apply? Companies interested in performing out-of-warranty iPhone repairs may apply. Parts resellers and distributors are not eligible for this program. That means that if you're a parts distributor, there's nothing we can do for you right now. I'm sorry. This is only for repair shops. I'm sure that they just want to be the only stop. They don't want any middleman messing with anything. They don't want any middleman changing things up in the middle. They want to be the middleman themselves. What are the requirements? Businesses applying are required to be an established business with business verification documents that are available for review by Apple. Apple's repair tools, training, service guides, and diagnostics must be kept confidential. That means you're going to have to probably sign something that says you can't use aftermarket parts anymore if you do this. And it means you can't share anything. It means you can't do anything. It means you can't talk about it online. So keep that in mind if you want to use this program. Okay? Now, what else does that mean? That means you have to be a legitimate business. That's a given, though. They're not just giving this to every mom and pop who's doing this out of their garage. Let's go ahead and keep going down here. Just like I was saying just now, the premises must be in a commercially zoned area. Residential address is not acceptable as a service location. Means you can't do this out of your garage. Sorry, they're working over here. I'm trying to get all this done here while everybody's still here at the old office. Anyway, yeah, you cannot be doing this out of your house. You must be a legitimate brick and mortar business. Technician certification. We all knew that if this program was to come, you'd have to be certified. There is a lot of stuff going on right now in the community just about getting Apple certified. So, if you're already on that train and that's exactly what they need for this program, you're already a step ahead. All right. But participating service companies using iPhone genuine parts are required to have Apple certified technicians perform the repairs. Becoming certified to repair Apple products requires passing exams through an online authorized testing center. Certifications are updated on a per product basis annually. If you want more information, you can check out the good old link right here, see what the deal is. But it looks like every time they put out a new device or just once a year, they're probably going to redo all this stuff and update it and everything. I'd say probably near the end of the year every year. Now, the big stuff. How do we apply? To apply, you got to send an email to irpapplicant@apple.com. Provide all the information they want right there. General application stuff about your business, who you are, where you're at, what your number is, your email, your business website, every single little detail about your business so that Apple can know who you are. Now, disclaimer. This one's the fun one. Who can and cannot apply for this program? Apple will not consider applicants that do not meet the program requirements. Of course, meeting program requirements does not guarantee acceptance in the program. Apple reserves the right to reject any application without comment. Not consent, comment. Apple will not consider applicants that use the Apple trademark as part of their company's name or webpage unless such use complies with Apple trademark terms. That means that they can deny you for any reason. If you've made them super mad over time, they may not help you with this. Meaning, they might not let me in just because they might not let me in because they don't like me. Who knows? They also may not let you in if your company uses some sort of Apple trademark. I don't know if the I is a trademark or not, but you might want to check on that before you submit your application. But either way, this is an important step forward in the whole situation about getting all this stuff. Now, the deal is they were not forced to do this, so in terms of right to repair as a whole, this may not be the best thing for it, but this is kind of what we wanted anyway, and Apple knew it was coming close, so they're probably just trying to nip this whole thing in the butt, jump ahead of it, and, you know, offer this to us now so that they don't get smashed in court later. Because I think we all know they weren't going to do this unless we started pushing them toward it. So either way, this is exciting news. Please let me know down in the comments what you think about the whole situation. I do apologize about any background noise and the fact that I'm not wearing my Art of Repair shirt today, but I just got this news across my desk and did not have time to go home and grab it. Either way, leave a thumbs up, subscribe, get that notification sent to you, and for real, let me know what you think down in the comments about this whole situation. Do you think it's good for the industry, or do you think it's bad for the industry? I'll catch you next time. Don't forget, guys, if you're interested in any of the tools I use, check out the description below. I even have my own custom tools that I sell down there as well, that literally do not exist anywhere else on the planet, except from the Art of Repair. I also have a Patreon where you can help support the channel so I can create even better, high quality content.